Today I'll tell you about what is expression, equation, identity, formula and inequality. So I'll start with algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a combination of integer constant, variables, exponents and algebraic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. A variable is a letter used to represent an unknown value. So this is the definition of algebraic expression. So as the definition says, if I write 2 plus 3, this will be an expression. If I write x plus 5, this will be an expression because it's the combination with a plus sign, x plus 5. If I write 2x minus 1, it is an algebraic expression. If I write 3x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1, so this is another algebraic expression. This is a rational algebraic expression. Now we have 2x square plus 3x plus 5. This is a quadratic expression. It has the power 2, that's why it's a quadratic, and this one is the linear one. So these are the algebraic expression. Now I'll talk about the equation. In algebra, an equation can be defined as a mathematical statement consisting of an equal symbol between two algebraic expressions that have the same value. The process of finding the value of the variable is called solving the equation. So first I'll write one algebraic expression, x plus 5, and I am putting equal to sign with it and making it equals to 2. So in this particular equation, the value which will satisfy this equation, the value of x is minus 3. So minus 3 plus 5 will make it 2. So 2 is equals to 2. So in this way this equation will become a true, and if we solve it, x is equals to, when we shift the value to the right side, minus, so x minus 5 and x is finally minus 3. So you see, this is the value which will make this equation correct. So in equation we have a certain value of the variable. Now algebraic identity. An identity is an equation that is true for all values of variables. It is unlike equation which is true for only a specific value. So I'll show you how. If I write an identity, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is an example of identity. Now you can see here that if I put any value in this left side, it will always be equal to this right side because both sides are equal. I'll show you how they are equal. Let me expand this, a plus b square. A plus b square means a plus b into a plus b. So I need to multiply these two brackets. We will follow simple rules. First this a will multiply with this a, and then this will multiply with this b. So we will get a into a. We have two a's, so a square here, and plus ab. Now this b will multiply with a and with b. So b into a is ab and b into b is b square. So we have a square plus ab is 2ab and plus b square. So you can see this thing is equals to the right side. So whenever we talk about identity, both sides are always equal and they are true for all values. And the confusion which often the students or even a teachers have, that they think that identity and equations are same, but they are not same, because identity is true for all values and equation is only true for a specific values. Now inequality. An inequality is a relation which makes a non-equal comparison between two numbers or other mathematical expressions. But first I'll quickly tell you the symbols used in inequality. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So these are the symbols. So if I say x is greater than 2, then it's mean all the values from 3, 4, 5, 6 and onward. So you see it has a infinite values, or it's a set of values. If I say, for example, x is greater than 2 and x is less than 8, and to make it more understandable, I am using this symbol also, x is greater than equal to 2. So now when I use this symbol, it means 2 is also included. So greater than equal to 2 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I will not write 8 because it's less than 8. So this is the difference between the greater than and greater than equal to, or less than equal to. If you see a small this line under it, it means this region is also included. So this is the inequality. It has a infinite number of solution, or it has more than one solutions, not a definite number of solutions like equation. Formula. The formula is a fact or a rule written with mathematical symbols. It usually connects two or more quantities to an equal to sign. When you know the value of one quantity, you can find the value of the other using the formula. For example, if we have a formula A is equals to L into B. So this is the formula for finding the area of a rectangle. So if in a rectangle we know the dimensions of it, let's say this is 10 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter, so we can easily find the area of it. So area will be equals to 10 times 4, so area is equals to 40 centimeter square. So this is about the formula. If we know in this particular case the two quantities, we can find the third. If I find the area and the length, I can find the breadth. If I know the length and area, I can find the breadth. In the same way, whenever the formula is written, there is one unknown value and the other values are given, or you can find it, so you can find the third value. I hope you have understood all the important terms: expression, equation, identity, formula and equality, and now you know completely that what is difference between all these. There are minor differences between few things, but you need to know as a teacher and as a student, you should know it, as it is important part of mathematics. If you find this video useful, make sure to subscribe my channel, like it and share it with your friends, so the other people also know, the students or the teachers, the important concept of mathematics. And make sure to press the bell icon, so each time I upload a video, you are informed. I upload videos on regular basis every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.